I'm James Neville Taylor with the Builderall team. In this video we're going to go over affiliate ID and default affiliate link. In your Builderall account you have a unique ID which is unique to you. As you can see, for this account it's 206761, so that is my unique ID. No one else is going to have that ID but me, and it tracks across all funnels and it tracks your whole account. So if I scroll down, you can see on all of the funnels there's this 6-digit ID. Yours may be a 7 or 8-digit ID depending on how high the number's gone, but it will always be a unique ID special to you. Your default affiliate link is the one that goes to the main Builderall homepage, and that's going to be the first link on the affiliate funnels area. If you have a domain connected, you won't see your 6-digit unique code. It will just be yourdomain.com. But this unique ID will be running in the background to track your affiliate sales. So if you come to dashboard, you can also find a different default. So now we're on the dashboard, you can see main affiliate link. And this is builderall.com with hashtag your ID after it. So you can go to any Builderall domain and put hashtag aid equals your unique affiliate ID after it, and it will track to your affiliate link. So in this video we went over your affiliate ID and default affiliate link, and it was really short.